You have a photo on your phone or on your computer, and you don't know exactly where it was taken. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the exact location where that photo was taken. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is go to this website. If you stay until the end, you'll also find out the name of the website. Then here's what you need to do. And this is very important. If you don't want your photo to appear anywhere publicly, you need to check the box that says Keep Photos Private. After that, click on Select Photo Files and upload the photo you want. For example, I have this photo here. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to see the exact location where the photo was taken. You can also see which device was used to take the photo and the exact date when it was taken. The website is called Pictomap. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos.